today I would like to mention Ash K and Sukanta Behra. So thank you so much guys for commenting on my videos. So in today's video I'll be testing out bunch of nail art hacks by 5 Minute Craft. So I have shared similar kind of videos in past. So if you haven't watched that videos yet, I will link that playlist in the description box below or on the I button, so you can check that out as well. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So moving on to the first hack, in that they have used glitter nail paint to cover this overgrown nails. So you can see I have not removed my previous nail paint and my nail has grown. So now let's see if this hack works or not, or if it covers my nail or not. So let's see this first hack. You can clearly see that this hack really works. So this hack is really good if you are getting late or you are just lazy to reapply your nail paint. So what you can do, you can just do this trick on your overgrown nails and this will work absolutely nice. So yeah, I will give this hack a thumbs up from my side. So moving on to the second nail art hack, which is this really nice matte nail paint hack. So in this you will just require any cornstarch they have used and any glossy nail paint, and they have shown that it will turn totally matte. So yeah, let's see if this hack works or not, because matte nail paints are really trendy these days. So yeah, let's see if this hack works or not. So now that I have applied this nail paint and here I have taken some cornstarch, so I will just dip this nail paint and we'll compare it afterwards with this one. And then just take a brush and dust the excess powder. So you can see that the cornstarch has made my nail paint matte. You can compare it with this, but I am not totally liking this effect of this cornstarch. So I don't know what to give this hack. So it is like 50-50 for me. It has turned a bit matte, but I am not liking this effect of this nail art. So yeah, I will not rate this hack. So you guys let me know in the comment section below that what should I give this hack, a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So moving on to the third nail art hack. So this happens with all of us all the time. So what is this hack? Whenever we apply nail paint, so and if we touch, तो nail paint पूरा खराब हो जाता है. तो what is this hack? That you just need water and उसमें आपको ये nail अपना dip करना है like this, and then just move your finger on your nail paint और वो ठीक हो जाएगा. So let's see कि ठीक हो रहा है या नहीं. So let me show you. So you can clearly see that ये nail paint fix नहीं हुआ है और बिकॉज मैंने वाटर में डिप किया था उसकी वजह से नेल पेंट भी फास्ट ड्राई हो गया, तो फिर फिक्स तो वापस होगा नहीं. सो या, सो फ्रॉम माई साइड आई विल गिव दिस हैक अ थम्स डाउन बिकॉज ये बिल्कुल भी वर्क नहीं किया. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट नेल पेंट हैक. फॉर दैट उन्होंने क्या बताया कि जो ग्लिटर नेल पेंट्स होते हैं उसको रिमूव करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. एंड दिस इज ट्रू कि ग्लिटर नेल पेंट्स जल्दी रिमूव नहीं होते हैं. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट दे हैव डन, दे हैव यूज्ड दिस फेविकॉल और एनी ग्लू ऑन देयर नेल्स फर्स्ट बिफोर अप्लाइंग एनी ग्लिटर नेल पेंट, जिसकी वजह से बाद में नेल पेंट रिमूव करने में बहुत आसानी हुई और वो एकदम फील हो गया आराम से. तो लेट्स सी कि ये हैक वर्क कर रहा है कि नहीं. So you can clearly see that the Fevicol has removed the entire nail paint very nicely, and it is so satisfying to do this. So I will definitely use this hack a lot more times because it works really well. So yeah, I will give this hack a thumbs up from my side. So moving on to the next nail art hack. For that you will just require any thread. So I have taken this. So you just need to apply one coat of nail paint, and then you just need to roll this thread around your nail, and you need to apply second color, and it will create a very nice nail art. So let's see if this hack works or not. That this hack has worked really nicely, and this nail art is looking very nice. But the problem is that just I removed the thread a bit early, so the nail paint from here is gone. Other than that, the nail art is really nice. I will give this hack a thumbs up from my side. To the next nail art hack, which is this really nice French manicure hack. So for that you will just require any elastic band, this rubber band, and your favorite nail polish. So French manicures are really nice to do, and it really looks very cute, but we all have some difficulties while creating French manicure. So let's see if this hack works or not. So you can see how this hack looks. and I really like this hack. This is looking absolutely cute. So yeah, I will give this hack a thumbs up from my side. So moving on to the last hack. In this hack, you can fix your broken nail using any green tea filter paper. So I don't have any broken nails, so I need to just cut my nail for this, which I clearly don't want. But let's try this hack. So you can see that it has fixed my nail nicely, but just it is looking very bulgy. So I will suggest that use only one layer of filter paper. Here I have used two, that's why it is looking a bit bulgy. So I will give this hack a thumbs up from my side. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye.